Light up, smoke up, save mass transit. Could legalizing and taxing marijuana?
We asked police for information on 11 of those arrested in connection with hate crime investigations in our borough. 6 of them had prior arrests, which included assault or aggravated harassment. Among them, Tiffany Harris, who had 12 prior arrests before she was arrested in December for assaulting 3 Jewish women.
In the month of June, the NYPD reported 205 shootings. Last June, there were 89. That's a 130% increase. When 45 shootings broke out across the boroughs, leaving 64 victims and 11 murders.
It's a phenomenon that occurs when a significant percentage of a community is immune to a disease.
America has long struggled with how to humanely put prisoners to death. Depending on where you live, if you're on death row, there are 5 different ways the state may kill you. Gas chamber, hanging, electrocution. Some states have recently reinstituted firing squads, and the most common, lethal injection.
Fletcher was not responsible for the charges she had been suspended for.
There's a chain of 5 medical centers in Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Orange County.
I can answer that question. From 1968, Paul was going to be Frodo, Ringo was going to be Sam, John was going to be Gollum, and George was going to be Gandalf.
4 trustees, the president of Kingsborough Community College, the CUNY vice chancellor of Risk, Audit, and Compliance, and the daughter of the late Medgar Evers. Now all that's left, selecting 2 students and 3 tenured faculty.
Year to date for shooting incidents compared to last year, we're seeing around a 56% increase in the Bronx, 92% increase in Brooklyn North, and 102% increase in Brooklyn South.